High wind watch in effect from Tuesday evening through Wednesday morning. What? Southwest winds 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour possible. Where? The Snake River Plain, Mud Lake Desert, and eastern Magic Valley, including the towns and cities of Mud Lake, Idaho National Laboratory, Idaho Falls, Rexburg, St. Anthony, Pocatello, Blackfoot, American Falls, Shelley, Fort Hall, Burley, Rupert, Heyburn, and Oakley. When? From Tuesday evening through Wednesday morning. Wind will increase during the morning. By 6 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time should reach 30 to 35 miles per hour, with a peak wind between 3 a.m. and 7 a.m. Wednesday. Impacts. Travel could be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Isolated damage to trees, power lines, signs, and outbuildings is possible, along with isolated power outages. Loose outdoor objects could be blown around. Blowing dust can close highways temporarily. Additional details. Blowing dust is expected to reduce visibility severely, especially in the Roberts area north of Idaho Falls and areas between American Falls and Pocatello. Monitor the latest forecasts and warnings for updates on this situation. Secure loose objects or shelter objects in a safe location prior to the onset of winds. Drivers of high-profile vehicles should consider scheduling travel outside the period of expected high winds.